Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can create and edit a form in Airtable. So to do that, open the base in which you want to edit the form. Then on the bottom left there is this form button. Press it and then press create a form view. And here you can name your form. I'm just gonna name it form, but you can name it, and then you can also select these settings like who you want to allow access. Then you have to press create new view button, and it's going to create a form. As you can see, it has created this form, but the form basically has a bunch of questions that you may want to change. So in order to edit a form, what you can do is, first of all, you click here, you change the name of the form by writing anything. So that's how you change the name, and then you can add a description to your form, whatever you like I'm gonna name it. So this looks like a good description to me, but you can add your description. Then you can drag and drop fields to this form. Like there is a name field. If you want to rename, if you want to delete it, you can simply click here and then press delete field. But keep in mind that if this is the primary field, then it cannot be deleted. You can only delete the other keys, like this one. I just delete it and it is deleted. And I also want to delete this one. I click here, and then I press click delete, and it is deleted. So except for the primary key, all the other fields can be deleted. And then let's say that there is everything. I want to change everything. I just delete everything that is already there. Let's say I just want to keep the name and email and status. And now if I want to add a new field, I just press this button, I name it. Here I'm gonna say full full address, and then I'm gonna select long text because full address can be a long text, and then I'm gonna press save. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna create a new field, um, and as you can see, it has created a new field named full address, and now the person that is using the form will be able to enter their full address here. Now if you want to delete a field, you can delete it by pressing this delete button, and if you want to add a new field, you can press this button to add a new field. And you can also customize your form by adding a cover image, or you can add a logo, but you would have to have a paid plan to do so. So this is how you create and edit a form in Airtable. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.